I don't really have high requirements for paper towels. I just need to pull this one out and follow it with the next one. It's just a paper towel. Even if you use the last one, it can still go up. It's like this. It's so easy to use, and it's made so beautifully. The colors are simple, and it looks stylish wherever you place it. How awesome is this thing? We used a special transparent toilet water tank to do a test, and you will know how powerful this toilet cleaner is. You don't have to pick it up with your hands. One bottle can be used for more than half a year. It dispenses liquid in a quantitative manner and presses the toilet to simulate a quantitative cycle. It is amazing. The main thing about this thing is quantitative release of nanometer decontamination. Look at the cleanliness. If you have a mini mop like this at home, you can just lay off your job and use it to clean the house. It doesn't touch water and your hands are dirty, so you can easily wipe the tabletop, stove, TV cabinet, etc. It comes with a small watering bottle for decoration. It is also very good to clean the oil house. The water-absorbent cotton material does not leave watermarks when wiped. It is also very easy to wash and can be hung anywhere.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.